Hi, I'm Chelsea. And I'm Hunter. Welcome back to our channel. Peter Rabbit toys are out at McDonald's. This is the first time we're reviewing McDonald's toys, and we're going to review all the other McDonald's toys that come out. So don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell or you'll miss out. Okay, let's check out these toys. Let's start with number 1, the Hoopla. Whoa. So here are the directions. I think it's like a hoop toss game. Oh, and you have this too. Donald McPlay. Scan your toy and unlock more fun. So I'm guessing this is Peter Rabbit, and he has his arms up, and there are 3 green and 3 orange. So I'm guessing we have to verse each other. Yeah. Which color do you want? I'll take the green. You sure? Okay. So yeah, I think we're supposed to do that. Let's stand him up, and then you start first. Then ready? Okay. Missed. Dang it! Yeah, I got 1. Oops. 2. Okay, I want that one. Okay. So now we're gonna go to number 2. This is the Peter Rabbit marble game. It's like Hungry Hippo. Okay, but with Peter Rabbit. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so let's take out the game, and then here are the directions. It's not really directions, but this looks so cool. You gotta flip it over so that all the marbles get in. Uh-oh, I think we got one stuck. Okay, so now all the marbles are in, and then all you gotta do is, uh-oh. Okay, you have to eat as much as possible, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And this one also has this. So download play, go to that later if you have time. Okay, so I think it's the person who has the most balls eaten. Yeah, eaten. Ready, go. How do you do this? I got 1. I got 2, I think. Come in, 3. Come in, balls. I got 1. No, I don't. Oh, they're flinging everywhere. Thanks. What? Okay, who won? Wait, does it? There. Oh my gosh. This is my side and this is her side. Oh my gosh. I want to play again. Okay. Wait, did you win or did I win? I won. No, I won. No, I was the rabbit. So you won. I mean, we're both rabbits. Okay, ready? Wait, gotta flip it over. Is that all? Okay, yep, that's it. Go! Hey! Oh, she won. Yes, I'm the master. This is a really fun game. Oh, number 4, Peter Rabbit foosball. So here's the foosball game. So there's a little ball inside the little box, and then there's a catapult, I think, or something that launches, and then there's a rabbit that you spin on the stick to guard your goal. So Chelsea, you want to be the guard? I'm confused. You're smart. Okay. So the ball has to go into the little catapult. So you're gonna have to try and kick it out. Okay. Ready? Go! Oh, it didn't make it in. Oh. I did it! Back here. This is hard to play. This is really hard. Okay, let's switch. Come on. Get in there. Come on. Oh, there we go. Just pick it up. There. Okay. Wait.
You pull it and then you really.
Get back in there.
Wait. You ready?
Yep. Ooh. Get out of here. Oh no. Okay. She was the first one to make it in, so I think she won this game.
Kinda.
Thanks for watching. We'll be reviewing more McDonald's toys when they come out. So make sure that you subscribe and tap the bell so that you don't miss a video. Bye!